What's up, guys? Welcome to Wednesday. So I haven't done that in ages. That felt nice. Felt nice. Anyway, that's off topic completely. So today we are heading out to Spalding, which is like a village outside Market Deeping where there's just a load of don't want the traffic report. There's just a load of like stuff which goes on there, like there's some shopping, mini golf, all sorts of things. You can have a day out. Yeah, come along for the ride. So it turned out that the
Jurassic Golf World.
that's it. Was
Not Golf World, Jurassic Golf. That's the name.
cool. The Jurassic Golf mini golf thingamabob was closed. So
Single tier.
what?
Single tier.
Oh,
R.I.P.
cries in Spanish. We're going to go head off to the Owl Sanctuary.
Owl Centre, yeah.
Yes.
Turn right to the roundabout.
I shall engage. Make it so.
At the traffic circle, take the third exit. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, third exit to the Owl Centre. I think it is at least.
Spalding. Yeah, seems right. Oh, it is wet and horrible. Anyway, heading home now, so I'll say today is over.